Good evening. Video editing and screen capture software. One of the things that was required of us towards the end of this program is that we learned to use a software that would not only record us, but record what was happening on the screen. So what I chose was Screen-Cast-O-Matic. It is one where it has blogs, it has tutorials, and tons of support for you. The other software that I looked at was TechSmith Camtasia. Now, whereas both of the software were totally awesome, Screen-Cast-O-Matic was extremely user-friendly, was free, with a great price if you want to upgrade. Whereas Camtasia was a little bit more on the techie side, and yes, you got a free trial for 30 days, but the purchase price was just a little bit pricey. Screen-Cast-O-Matic offered many tutorials when you got into the program and needed assistance. Of course, they gave you the beginner intro as well as all the way through number 11, backup and storage. Now, one of the things that you would get with Camtasia is a tool that will come up on your screen like this, you know, after you had signed up and so on. But you would get the record screen. And what you would have to do is decide if you wanted to record your entire screen or if you only wanted a portion of it. And they also had sizes that were already prefixed for you. And you could either use your webcam or you could use both and then be recording you as well as what was going on that particular screen. Now, I use Screen-Cast-O-Matic for just about every video that I had to create in my courses. A totally awesome tool. And these are my references. Thanks and have a great day.